So this is our SOBOLO, and no sugar has been added yet. Okay. Okay. We are about to press SOBOLO, and we are here at the joint, the sea joint, trying to get some fruit for SOBOLO. Yeah, hibiscus flower. Yeah, okay. Hey, two cities, the first way. What? One apple, 250. Hey, one apple costs 2 cities, 50 pesos. Yeah, so we went to the market to get some stuff for the SOBOLO. Anyway, in Africa, you always get, what do you call it, fresh ingredients for anything that you want to prepare. Yeah, it's a record. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This way, cooking with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Before we start, if this is the first time watching, can you subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn the notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video drop. Follow us on Facebook as well, cooking with Sindaco. Yeah, so today we'll be preparing one of the greatest drinks you have in Ghana, authentic and healthy SOBOLO. Yeah, so in this video we'll be preparing SOBOLO, and so many things that we'll be using together with the hibiscus flower to give that nutritious and healthy drink that you need, for your immune system. Not just SOBOLO, but a complete pack. Let's do this, yeah? Yeah, so we have our hibiscus flower, which is this one, this flower over here, and we have this apparatus. So this is the natural herb that will be going inside the SOBOLO. So we have bay leaf, we have pepper, we have aniseed, we have cloves, we have grains of psyllium, all the natural spices that you know. Okay, we also have ginger and prekese. You know what prekese does? Yeah, authentic. We also have, we'll be adding some fruits to the SOBOLO. So we have pineapple, we have apple, and banana. We also have sugar. So this our ingredients or recipe that we'll be using to prepare the authentic and healthy, the most healthiest drink in Ghana. Yeah, SOBOLO. We have our mommy over here. She'll be doing she sells SOBOLO. In fact, she does SOBOLO and sells it. So this tells you that she knows what she's doing. Expert and kasa. Anyway, so let's do this. Yeah, so we have our water on fire, and we're about to add our SOBOLO to the water. Right here. Yeah, it's not necessary to wash your SOBOLO before boiling them because it's just the liquid that we need. Yeah. And sometimes you may see other stuffs mixed together because of the flour and all this. So it's not anything important to remove them or to wash them before. Yeah. So. So since we want to blend the fruits, yeah, we're chopping them to pieces so that the blending will be easier, and yeah. Yeah, so we are going to add this the pineapple skin that we peeled off. Yeah, we add it to sobolo. And also because of all these fruit supplements, you can choose to add sugar or not. Yeah. So we're about to blend our mixture, so the vegetables and the fruits. A bit of water. So we are blending everything together in a dry blender. Okay. See how red it looks like. Sobolo. See, I had it Rasta focusing on said red loss for said it's no be one Rasta kwe.
An American.
Yeah.
An American.
Most of the video that I've been doing, this lady, 1, 2, 3. And then there's yeah. Oh, okay. No, there are 4. There are 4 ladies. There are 4 ladies. They have been helping me do the video. So 1, 2. The other one is not here. Unfortunately, she can't be in the video today. Yeah, it's So we're about to sieve our sobolo, and we have our nets over here. Okay. And then these are the fruits, the seasoning. Yeah. So that use a second sieve for the mixing of the seasoning. Yeah, so we have our seasoning here, which contain bay leaf, aniseed, cloves, grains of salam, all the seasoning, all the natural seasoning. So this is how it's being done. Okay, so we sieve everything inside the sobolo. So ongoing sobolo, this is a process that you can do your correct sobolo, the authentic and the hygienic sobolo. Simple steps, great results. Bars, man. So we have our remainings over here. Yeah. So it's now time to let me help you out. It's time to see the syrup, the fruits, blended fruits. Yeah. Yeah, so for the fruit aspect or the fruit part, you can use any kind of fruit that you have. It can be watermelon, pineapple, just name it. Fruit is fruit. You can use any fruit that you want. Yeah, any fruit. And in this case, you can choose to use all the fruits without adding sugar, depending on depending on the kind of taste that you want. It's either you use sugar without the fruit or use the fruit without sugar, or you can use the fruit and add a bit of sugar to the sobolo just to blend the taste, as you see here. Yeah, so very healthy drink. Hot afternoon in Ghana, sobolo, famous drink in Ghana, and yeah. Yeah. So this is our final stage of the sobolo. It's still hot, so this is served chilled anyway. So you need to wait and everything get cold, and you can put some in the fridge. Then you freeze it. But now you need to taste to see the sugar content, if it's okay, or you need to add a bit of sugar. Now no sugar has been added, so you need to taste to see if it's okay. Yeah, so the sobolo is done, and
ready to serve.
Testing officer 1, as always, let me taste. Yeah. School food happening. So this, sorry, don't okay. So this is our sobolo, and no sugar has been added yet. Right. Okay. True, I got it. You feel the mint spice part of it, you know. So the pepper, the grains of Salem, all those things contain a bit of mint. Let me put it that way. So you can feel it because ginger sauce added. Yeah, so really feel the yeah, Madam Katrine. You know, yeah. Like this is, as I said, this is not just a drink. Like it contains all the herbs that you know, like the immune boosters, you know, everything that you know. You have them in this drink. And, you know, hibiscus flower, sobolo bisap, done in a great way and a special way.
Oh, nice. So what's the tasty share?
Yeah, so we're done with our sobolo, and you've seen the steps in the process. Very simple thing with great results. Like healthy drink that you need to boost. Anyway, doggy other drinks now focus on this kind of drinks. Like distractions. Yeah, Sindaco. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs like, follow us on Facebook, cooking with Sindaco, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Facebook as well. Let's meet again for Shizm and Nizza. Sobolo. Is it?